Hello everyone. Welcome to our first lesson in Grammar Mastery for Young Learners. I'm really excited to start this journey with you. Today, we are going to dive into the world of nouns. Nouns are super important because they name everything around us. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Think about all the things you see around you right now. Each of those things has a name, and that name is a noun. For example, if I say the cat sat on the mat, can you spot the nouns? Very good. Cat and mat are both nouns because they name a thing.